Hi, I'm Kwabin Ajaman, CEO and co-founder of OpenMV. AI is transforming our world today. Tracking cars, trucks, and things that go has never been easier. Now it's time to make AI mobile in the physical world. Introducing the OpenMV N6, our next-generation OpenMV cam, with a 1 GHz neural processing unit for running AI algorithms on the go. And the OpenMV Cam AE3, our smallest OpenMV cam ever that's the size of a quarter, designed to allow you to integrate AI into anything. We've been working hard over the last 2 years to make these low-power microcontrollers easy to use with MicroPython running on board. The OpenMV Cam N6 supports new camera modules like the FLIR Boson for high-resolution, high-frame-rate thermal imaging, allowing you to see the unseen world.
Thermal cameras have usefulness in fire safety. You could put them in a kitchen and it could sense when you walk away, forget the stove is on. And if you hook it up to smart appliances, it can turn the stove off and prevent a fire.
The Prophecy Gen X 320 event camera that only sees motion, giving your OpenMV Cam N6 the ability to track objects at extremely high frame rates. Now you can build intelligent wildlife cameras, smart drones, and robotic platforms that are able to think, plan, and act in the world. We've got great connectivity options for the OpenMV Cam N6 too, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Gigabit Ethernet on board, along with MP4 video encoding support. And this is the OpenMV Cam AE3, our most advanced, smallest OpenMV cam, at 1 inch by 1 inch. We put it in a case too, to make your life easier. Powered by the Aleph Ensemble E3. It features the same 1 megapixel global shutter camera as the OpenMV Cam N6, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on board also. The OpenMV Cam AE3 features 3D printable attachments for things like the GoPro, and you can 3D print the OpenMV Cam AE3 case to make your own custom solution.
Every scene and everything that you or I can see will be understood by software. And as a part of that, you need to have tools, community, a platform to accelerate the world's transition to visual understanding.
Our job is to make these things more accessible to people so that they can write a handful of lines of Python and do something really amazing like image detection and so on, and audio detections.
Yeah, and this really opens up kind of the holy grail for many specialized computer vision applications, which is computer vision on battery, running an AI model continuously, which is something we really were constrained before by Linux.
Thanks to your support, we were able to create the original OpenMV Cam over 10 years ago. Since then, we've shipped over 100,000 units, so we know what we're doing. Now we're ready to take it to the next level, and we need your support.
I remember buying the first one of these, like version 1, and then you're just like, there's more product lines, more cool things. Like, it keeps scratching all the itches, which is really cool to see.
We need your help to make the OpenMV Cam AE3 and N6 a reality. Please join us in building these new revolutionary devices.
I'm really excited to see what people will do with this, and I'm very happy to work with you.